got a winter storm, y'all, here in Arkansas. We're gonna be surviving tonight in this square body with a truck camper on it, with a little tiny electric heater. It's gonna be about 20 below wind chill tonight. Oh, it's cold. I've never got to finish the bed platform. Just haven't had time, y'all. Calm down. We got a big hole right there. We're going to plug in the bed. Still got a lot of work to do this rig. Going to be doing a lot of winter camping. But I dug old cot out, no mattress. Just going to put a bedroll down. Take this out. Put it away where it don't get wet tonight. And put it underneath the truck somewhere. And plug in an electric heater. It's where we're going to be. It's too late to gather wood right now. It's about to be dark. So we just dived right into it head first. Too late for a campfire. So see if we can just stay warmed up and survive the night. It's -3 right now, wind chill. 11 degrees. Ain't got a lot more snow coming. They're calling for like 10 to 12 inches. The camper don't really fit. It's got a big hole right here between it and the tailgate. We're just gonna drape us a blanket and hope we survive. Like I say, we ain't got this thing ready yet, but gotta take advantage of the storm. Got me a blanket from the Goodwill as a seat cover for this old truck, and gotta go with the other one next week. Maybe if the snow clears out. I should have bought both of them, but I only bought one. Thought one would cover, but we got a lot of air leaks here. But we do have the electric heater going, and it is warm right here in front of it. Got my bedroll out. My little cheap dollar store blanket. We're surviving on a budget and see if we can do it. Not gonna lie, y'all, it is cold. My feet is froze, fixed to kick my boots off, warm them up in front of the electric heater. And oh my goodness. Wish we had a nice warm fire outside, but not only did we not have, good Lord, this fat jacket makes me look fat. Anyway, not only did we not really have time to go gather wood, but this county is under a burn ban, so we don't want to get in trouble there. But worst comes to worst, we will build a fire. I see a lot of air gaps we're going to fill in for the next camping. Still got to clean this camper up a bunch more, but it is insulated up here. At least we won't get no water dripping on us from the heat condensation, hopefully. May get some on the windows, I don't know. We'll see. Try this bed out. This cot. Oh yeah. Still gotta get my pillow out of the cab of the truck. It's not that bad in here. It's probably 40 degrees, 30, I don't know. I can still see my breath, but you know. Oh, it's good. Whoa, my blanket fell. You know, see the wind blowing that blanket? That air is coming right through it. We may have to do something a little different here. I don't know. Snow is steady coming down. It's cold. You know, I could find something else go in that crack and use that blanket underneath my bedroll for insulation. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Y'all got any ideas? Snow steady coming down. Beautiful out there, y'all. Beautiful. Okay, y'all, we gotta get some light going. Got this little lantern my sister gave me. Y'all can tell it's getting dark. Let's see how this thing works. Pull this out of the bottom. Put your candle in it. And you light the candle. Put it back in. My lighter work is so cold. Like so. And we got light. Not a whole lot of light, but we got light. You know what I mean? Need to fix me a hook so I can hang this up. I got a battery light, but I didn't bring it. Yeah, I did. It's in the truck. But I wanted to use this. Should have cleaned the glass off. It's been collecting dust. But it is what it is. We're going to see how long it burns. Sure to get brighter as it goes. Oh, let me show y'all this. Let me move this thing here. And good indication. This is froze solid. It's Windex I had in the truck. So once it starts thawing out, we know we're getting warm in here. Show y'all what I've done here. Found some foam. Found some foam. Ah, son of a mother. Where's my flashlight? Found some foam still in that crack. We gotta clean this camper up. But we still got a crack here, as y'all can tell. We'll find something to fill that in. But it's getting dark. Too dark to see. Knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, whatever they said. Alright, I'm gonna get situated. See y'all in a minute. Y'all, I just went outside. It is super cold out there. Got snow all over me. But we lose all of our heat when we open that gate, lift gate and the tailgate. And so I'm gonna have to redo. I wanted a camper with just a door on it, you know. But this come up on Marketplace, super cheap, so I got it. I had to get my light out of the cab. That thing didn't last 10 minutes. I've been watching the fights. Fixing to watch some more. First, we're gonna it's cold. Get that heater a little closer. Maybe. Okay. We gotta eat. Peanut butter sandwich. That's what we're having tonight. Since we didn't build a fire, can't cook nothing. Gotta warm those hands up a minute. Y'all out there watching this video, I hope y'all staying warm tonight. 2 o'clock in the morning, woke up. Feet down there's toasty, but you can hear her sleep. I'm gonna get some rest. Hopefully we can get out of here in the morning. We'll see. Might have to end up spending another night. Who knows? Oh, made it through the night, y'all. Slept pretty good. Stayed pretty warm. I mean, it's not as warm as I want it to be, but it's doable. Oh, I gotta get up. this truck started. Get on down the road, get to the house. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me. If you would, hit that like button. All that good stuff. And I'll see y'all on the next one.